Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquine, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss a Java program, and the program is that to take a given string as input and find out it is palindrome or not. What is a palindrome? If a word read from left to right and right to left are same, then we can say the word is a palindrome or the string is a palindrome, like madam. M-A-D-A-M, from left we can read M-A-D-A-M. If we read from right to left, the word is same, M-A-D-A-M. So madam, this word or this string is a palindrome string. Okay, so today I will write the code in Java to find out a given string is a palindrome or not. And now this particular program or this particular logic I do using recursion. What is recursion? Recursion means a function calls itself again and again until and unless the condition fails. Okay, so here I am using Eclipse IDE and I just write the code and execute the Java program within this Eclipse IDE. Okay. So hello friends, now I am just within the Eclipse IDE and here I will write the Java code, and the problem is that to take a string as input and find out it's a palindrome or not using recursion. Means here I am using a recursive function to find out the string is palindrome or not. Okay. To do the problem we follow two steps. One is at first we should reverse the given string and then check if the reverse of the string is equal to itself or not. If yes, then the given string is palindrome, otherwise it's not a palindrome string. Okay, like madam, if you read from right to left or read from left to right, both cases it will madam. Okay, so madam, this word is a palindrome string. Okay, so here I already create the source file and put the name palindrome string test.java. Okay, and as input is concerned, at first we should import java.util.Scanner class. Okay, and here I just put the class name palindrome string test. So just write public class palindrome string test. Okay, and within that we write three methods. One is a reverse method, which is actually a recursive method. Another method is palindrome string, and another most common public static void main. Okay, so at first I write the reverse method. So just write public static and put as return type string and then put the method name reverse. Okay, and send as argument string input. Okay, and just write the code within that particular method. Just check if input equal null or input dot is empty. Okay, then we just write the statement return input. Okay, now before just close our reverse method, we just write here return input dot char at, and within parentheses just write input dot length method -1, and then just write plus, mean we just concatenate and call the reverse method, means this is the recursion process, and send as argument input dot substring and send as argument 0, input dot length method -1 and close it using semicolon. So this is the code for the reverse method. Okay, now we write the code for is palindrome string method. So just write public static and put the return type boolean and just write is palindrome string and send as argument string txt. Okay, and within that method we just write the logic. At first we write string rev equal and call the reverse method and send the argument txt. Okay, and now here we check if txt dot equals rev. Okay, then we just return true. Okay, and before end of that particular method is palindrome string, just write return false. Okay, now this is the end of method is palindrome string. Now we just write our method public static void main and send as argument string address, means string array, and just as interactive way we just write system.out.println and just write within double quote enter a string. Okay, and now we should instantiate the scanner class. Just write scanner sc equal new scanner and send as argument system.in and close it using semicolon. Okay, now what? Now at first we write here string st equal, just call sc dot next line, means we take the input as in form of string, and after we just print system.out.println within parentheses just write st plus within double quote just write, means we just concatenate and just write is palindrome and put a question mark, and then we call, that's why we put a plus, means again concatenate is palindrome string and put as argument st and close it, put a semicolon. So this is the end of our void main. So at first we should run this code and check there is any error or not. There's some error is there, so just write length -1. Okay, and at first we should execute this code and check there is any error or not. So at first we should run this code, so just click on run palindrome string test. So within the console just written into there enter a string. So at first we write madam and press enter. Yes, madam is palindrome, it's true. Why? Because from left to right it's a madam and from right to left it's also madam. Again if we run this code, so again if we put another string Arnab, it's my name, Arnab is palindrome or not? No, Arnab is not a palindrome, that's why it's a false. Okay, so in that way we can write our code in Java to find out any string is palindrome or not using recursion process. And here the recursive function is reverse, so it's just call itself again and again until unless the condition is false. Okay, so I hope you have understood today's problem. For any queries just write in the comment section, I will try to solve your problem. Okay, I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos keep watching my channel Technical Arquin. Thank you and bye bye.